So let's step through this simple script. The first line exclamation /bin/env bash may at first look strange over the traditional exclamation /bin/bash. The traditional shebang assumes that the bash program is where it should be. This line in the script does not this assumption. Instead it says the bash program is somewhere in the $path. Function rename. To create a reusable command or piece of code, we create functions. The following is how a scripting function is written. In shell scripting, functions operate differently than programming normally. A function, as the name suggests, returns a value. However, in scripting, functions act more like subroutines in that they really don't return anything. Other differences can be seen in how values are passed to the function. In programming, we tend to list parameters near the function name, but we will soon see that parameters are implicit instead of explicit. Local old equals $1, local new equals $2. Now may be a good place to talk about function vs global variables briefly. Function variables should only be usable within the function in which it was defined. In order for code to be reusable, functions should be atomic. There should be an ability to operate on its own. So in the spirit of atomony, we see the first instance in the keyword local. We only want these variables to be accessible from inside the function. Without this keyword, we could access and possibly change the values of these variables, making errors harder to find. In shell scripting, when we see $, we assume that this is variables, yet the numbers may be odd. When scripting, we reference parameters by position, not name. So $1 means the first parameter passed. Counting placements of parameters start at